Welcome to AFN Coaching YouTube classes. Subscribe to our channel or visit us.
Hello everyone, welcome back to AFN Coaching YouTube channel. আমি যোৱা ক্লাছলৈ 24 নম্বৰ পইণ্টলৈকে কৰি লৈছিলোঁ we were doing Assam history. Since সব এক্সামৰ ডেটছবোৰ দিয়ে দিছে আসাম পুলিচ SI হওক বা PWD হওক বহুত এক্সামৰ ডেটছ দি দিছে so I am trying যে মই সোনকালে সব বস্তু শেষ কৰোঁ and therefore মই আজি Assam history যিটো portion মই কৰাই আছিলোঁ সেইটো মই শেষ কৰি দিম you can already see আমি বহুত লাষ্টৰ ফালে গুচি আহিছোঁ. There are approximately 30 points and মই আজি গুটেখিনি কমপ্লিট কৰি দিম after independence খিনিও দেখাই দিম কি হ'ব বা কি হৈছিলে after independence of Assam কি হৈছিলে এইখিনিও মই দেখাই দিম and we will start with Ahom kingdom separately যেটো মই already কৈ দিছিলো যে মই Ahom kingdom কৰাম so Ahom kingdom মই separate videos ও কৰাই দিম এতিয়া মই ৰিলিজ কৰি দিম গুটেকেটা videos and also we will start with others important factors like biodiversity of Assam geography of Assam heburo moi laheke etia start korim and within a week you will get all the videos serially. Just subscribe to our channel and you will get the notifications of each and every class. ঠিক আছে সব ক্লাস মই অসমীয়াতে কৰিম লিখাটো মই ইংলিশত ৰাখিম so that Assamese medium and English medium সবে এই বস্তুবোৰ চাব পাৰে and বুজি পাব পাৰে. So we will move on to 25 number point. In 1916 Assam Chhatra Sammelan and in 1917 Assam Sahitya Sabha was formed. So a dates would important hoy I have repeated very much this in my class je bare bare moi repeat kori asu je dates and kuntur year or mane dates or kuntur year or ki form hoisile this question is very important beleg dhoroner ahibo pare. So again 1916 ot Assam Chhatra Sammelan and 1917 ot Assam Sahitya Sabha form hoisile. Assam Sahitya Sabha bahut question ahe Assam Chhatra Sammelan মই লগতে দি দিছো আহিব পাৰে you never know it, right? In 1921 is memorable for Assam history because of three reasons. Okay, there were three important things that happened in 1921. 1921 চনত তিনটা important হৈছিলে বস্তু হৈছিলে কাম হৈছিলে কি হৈছিলে গান্ধীজি ভিজিট কৰিছিলে অসমত. So you might be asked when did Mahatma Gandhi visited Assam? Your answer is 1921. Alright. Next is strikes by Assam Bengal train services and steamer companies which were the cause of widespread unrest. ঠিক আছে এটা কি হৈছিলে strike হৈছিলে কোনে কৰিছিলে Assam Bengal train services and steamer companies এ কৰিছিলে কেতিয়া কৰিছিলে 1921 ত কৰিছিলে. Okay, ইটোৰ ইমান question নাহে but 1921 ত হৈছিল কাৰণে মই ইয়াতে add কৰি দিছো. Next, after a period of 63 years Assam was passed onto the hands of a governor, thus paving the way for a dual administration which lasted till 1936. So 1921 or 1936 or major ki hoisile dual administration hoisile Assamot and by that what we mean that Assamot ki hoisile Assam was put on the hands of whom governor or hatot di dia hoisile but hetu kiman loke hol 1936 loke hol and then thereafter it changed which I will tell you later on. Okay, but if governor or hatot joa tu kiman bosor pisot hol 63 years or pisot hol, right? Next, in 1930 civil disobedience hoisile apun sobe jane. So 1930 civil disobedience was launched by Gandhiji and Assam plunged into it. ঠিক আছে civil disobedience jitu movement hoisile tate অসমো part hoisile and hetur pisot ki hoisile tinta bahut important naam ase moi eta dekhai dim continue korim moi point number 27 ok moi eta continue korim and then we will move on to the point number 28. I hope sobe buji pai asa so we will move on to the next point. 27 number point moi continue kori asu. Leaders like Hemchandra Borua, Vishnu Ram Medhi, Omyo Kumar Das were ported imprisonments. Tar mane ki question ahibo je kundur leader e movement of part loisile civil disobedience movement of part loisile from Assam. To naam ki hobo Hemchandra Borua, Vishnu Ram Medhi and Omyo Kumar Das. Then you might be thinking tumaloke bhabibo para je khali hiyotie join korisile niki. No, not only them, many other people were there. Bahut beleg beleg manuhe join korisile but if you are asked যদি এক্সামত আহে then these are the names এই তিনটা নামে ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট হয় because they were quoted imprisonment তাহতক জেলত পঠোৱা হৈছিল তাহতক কাৰাগাৰত পঠোৱা হৈছিল okay next in 1935 self governance in Assam was introduced in the elections held in 1937 although the Congress was able to secure the maximum number of seats they were not able to get majority etia yate kotha ki hoise I told you in 1936 or like dual governments jitu dual administration asile hetu choli asile 1936 or pisot change hoy gysile to keneke change hoisile 1935 ot Assamot ki introduce hol self governance nije government solwa jitu niti hetu ohomot tate hioti introduce korile okay then in 1937 ot ki hol 1937 ot election pata hol and in election Congress got the maximum number of seats Congress se maximum number of seats paisile but majority nupuar karone they were not able to get a majority nupuar karone Congress se sarkar banabo noarile okay Congress se ki korbo noarile nijor government logabo noarile nijor government nohoy government was under British but nijor council of ministers tahati korbo noarile okay and therefore the leader of Muslim League party Sir Syed Mohammad Sadullah naam to bahut bhalke monot rakhiba I'll tell you why he formed the first council of ministers to ami sobe janu je Akhomor prothom chief minister jodi amak khode obviously it means after independence right jodi eku mention kora na thake that means it is asked after independence so normally jitu khode first chief minister of Assam these questions were asked very like early ages of question hoy amar ma deutai jetia exam gur di asile tetia question hoy je Assamor first chief minister kun asile ajikali jugot competition badi hoise and therefore questions olop notun ke ahibo to tumak khodibo pare je first council of ministers tar mane council of minister kune banay chief minister e banay to first chief minister before independence kun hoy gol Sir Syed Mohammad Sadullah okay so you might be asked the first chief minister before independence like entirely Ahomor prothom chief minister kun hoy before after milai pelai Sir Syed Mohammad Sadullah but jodi directly koy eko mention kora na thake then you will have to write Gopinath Bordoloi right okay next later on the Congress came to power its leader being Gopinath Bordoloi isot ako ki hoy gol Sadullah government nami gol tahator sarkar nami gol Gopinath Bordoloi came back to power mane teo ako chief minister hoy gol to moi tumak koi aso Sadullah government hol then Gopinath Bordoloi government hol and then again what happened finally during the second world war Bordoloi minister resigned they resigned kori dile and Sadullah ministry came back to power in 1939 to ki hoy gol 1936 1937 not Sadullah government ahile then they were removed Gopinath Bordoloi ako back to power ahi gol then again Gopinath Bordoloi nijor ministry resign kori dile and then again who came Sadullah ministry came back to power in 1939 so up down hoisile kar major Bordoloi sarkarar Bordoloi ministry major aru Sadullah ministry major up down soli asile but the first was Sadullah ministry then came Gopinath Bordoloi ministry and then came Sadullah ministry again okay next we will see point number 30 next point swa 1942 quit India movement rose popularly known as People's Revolution okay in 1942 ki hol 1942 quit India movement start hoy gol ঠিক আছে this quit India movement manuhor major popularly kihor ki namere jana gol People's Revolution manuhor revolution ঠিক আছে etu namere ki hoy gol quit India movement famous hoy gol in Assam leaders like one naam jibur lom egila bahut important hoy if you are taking a screenshot of it then please just remember egita point bahut important hoy ma underline korile alaman untidy hoy jay bostu to to ma underline nokoru bare bare if you are writing it down which is better I think I prefer notes bonwa to I prefer the most and if you are writing it down then please underline these names because these names are very important directly tumak sarita option di dibo jikunu manuhor and then koi dibo je among the following four options kun মানুহে কুইট ইণ্ডিয়া মুভমেণ্টত জইন কৰিছিলে বা সিভিল ডিসঅবিডিয়েন্সত পাৰ্ট লৈছিলে তেনেকে নাম কোৱেশ্চন আহিব পাৰে ওকে সো দ্যাট ইজ হোৱাই আই হেভ গিভেন দি নেমস বা তোমাক সুধিব পাৰে ইহঁতৰ মাজত বহুত কেইটা তোমাক ফ্ৰীডম ফাইটাৰ দি দিব এণ্ড দেন সুধিব কুইট ইণ্ডিয়া মুভমেণ্টত কোন কোন ইয়াৰে মাজত কোনজনে ইমপ্ৰিজনমেন্ট হৈছিলে ইমপ্ৰিজন মানে কাৰাগাৰত তাহাঁতক পঠোৱা হৈছিলে তো কোন কোন আছিলে জ্যোতিপ্ৰসাদ আগৰৱালা গোপীনাথ বৰদলৈ সিদ্ধিনাথ শৰ্মা আৰু মোহাম্মদ তৈয়বুল্লাহ ফখৰুদ্দিন আলী আহমেদ বিষ্ণুৰাম মেধি এইকেইটা নাম বহুত ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট হয় মই আকৌ এবাৰ কৈ দি আছো জ্যোতিপ্ৰসাদ আগৰৱালা গোপীনাথ বৰদলৈ সিদ্ধিনাথ শৰ্মা মোহাম্মদ তৈয়বুল্লাহ ফখৰুদ্দিন আলী আহমেদ বিষ্ণুৰাম মেধি সিহঁতি এইটোৰ বাহিৰে আৰু বেলেগ কাম কৰিছে মই লাহে লাহে চব কৰাই দিম ৰাইট নাও দে আৰ ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট ফৰ কুইট ইণ্ডিয়া মুভমেণ্ট এজ well and they were in prison ঠিক আছে তাহাঁতক কাৰাগাৰত পঠোৱা হৈছিলে to because they took part in quit India movement okay next finally in 1945 after the end of second world war which started in 1939 let me remind you world history roloman reminder didilu finally in 1945 after the end of second world war the labor party this point is the last point of Assam history before independence of India ठीक है before independence of India this is the last point so please remember this very carefully a ministry to बहुत important है क्या है the labor party headed by Clement Attlee came to power in Britain और government और कथा कोई ऐसे labor party head कौन असले जुने जिकिसिले he was Clement Attlee okay Clement Attlee was the head of the labor party which came to power in Britain question आहे ठीक है তেওঁ কি কৰিছিলে under this government in 1946 cabinet mission set in discussions with the political leads of India and decided on the transfer of power ঠিক আছে এতিয়া হিহতি কি কৰিলে under Clement Attlee what happened in 1946 at a cabinet mission বহুৱা গল and they were discussing with the political leader India political leader লগত বহি পেলাই তাহাঁতি ডিসকাস কৰি পেলাই কি ডিসকাস কি কনক্লুজন ওলালে and decided on the transfer of power মানে ব্ৰিটিছৰ পৰা ইণ্ডিয়া totally transfer of power or transfer DDR discussion তাহাঁতি কৰিলে and decide কৰিলে যে they will finally transfer the power which was on 15th August 1947 ঠিক আছে discussion 1946 ত হ'ল and directly main power একেবাৰে গুছোৱা হ'ল on the 15th of August 1947 leading to India's independence okay this is all about Assam history before independence ekhini ase after independence few points ase moi aji eto cover kori dim and will finally be finishing the Assam history portion as a whole and then we will move on to Ahom kingdom separately moi hetu korai dim and simultaneously Ahom kingdom korwar logot log moi side biodiversity geography everything moi koram as I mentioned earlier so moving on to the next point by next topic which is Assam after independence ki hol kun sarkar ahile ki hol everything you will see there are only few points this class will go a little long okay so we will move on to the next topic so next was Assam after independence there are only approximately 5-6 points and we will cover it up already I will cover kori dim etu class hote separate class nokuru since just few points ase okay first governor of independent Assam কোন হৈছিল স্যার আকবৰ হাইদ্ৰি যেনেকে মই কলো first chief minister of Assam গোপীনাথ বৰদলৈ এইটো কোৱেশ্চন বহুত পুৰণা হৈ গল সো অলপমান নতুন বস্তু এড কৰিবলৈ নিজৰ সিলেবাসত নিজৰ প্ৰিপাৰেচনত নতুন বস্তু এড কৰিবলৈ চেষ্টা কৰিবা and this is also one of those questions first governor of independent Assam was sir আকবৰ হাইদ্ৰি এইটো আহিব পাৰে next chief minister এতিয়া মই কি এড কৰি আছো after independence I meant বহুত ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট কনস্ট্ৰাকশনস হৈছে অসমত and each and every construction কেতিয়া হৈছিলে কোন চিফ মিনিষ্টাৰ আছিল এতিয়া এটো কোৱেশ্চন আহিব পাৰে and hence মই এই নেক্সট পইণ্ট বোৰ লৈ আহিছো কোনটো চিফ মিনিষ্টাৰৰ আন্ডাৰত কি কাম হৈছিলে বা কি নতুন বস্তু এড হৈছিলে ইন দি গভৰ্নেন্স we will see okay so বিষ্ণুৰাম মেধি কোন হয় সেকেন্ড চিফ মিনিষ্টাৰ অফ আসাম হয় তেওঁৰ timeline কোবৰা কলকে আছিল 50 to 57 1950 পৰা 1957 লৈকে তেওঁ চিফ মিনিষ্টাৰ আছিল বিষ্ণুৰাম মেধি took over the next chief minister of Assam তেওঁ কি কাম কৰিছে first 5 year plan जितु चेंज হৈ পেলাই এতিয়া নীতি আয়োগ কৰি দিয়া হৈছে তো ফাৰ্স্ট 5 year plan was started in his time in Assam okay in Assam first 5 year plan কোনে আনিছিলে বিষ্ণুৰাম মেধি আনিছিলে next panchayat system of government was introduced এতিয়ালৈকে panchayat system introduce হোৱা নাছিলে but বিষ্ণুৰাম মেধিয়ে panchayat system of government introduce কৰালে এটো ডাইরেক্ট কোশ্চেন হ'ব পাৰে ফার্স্ট 5 year plan কোনে ইন্ট্রোডিউস কৰাইছিলে ইন ইন্ডিয়া ইন আসাম তো অপশনত গোপীনাথ বৰদলৈ ফৰ শিওর থাকিবই বাট ইয়োর আনসার ইজ বিষ্ণুৰাম মেধি पंचायत सिस्टम যদি খুদে দেন অলসো বিষ্ণুরাম মেধি similarly next bimal prasad chaliha was the third chief minister their timeline asile 57 or 70 লৈকে okay 1957 or 1917 লৈকে 1970 লৈকে তেওঁ chief minister of assam asile he was the third chief minister Saraighat bridge or construction তেওঁ নিজৰ আন্ডাৰত কৰিছিলে কেতিয়া হৈছিলে Saraighat bridge যেটো ব্ৰহ্মপুত্ৰ নদীৰ ওপৰত আছে মানে Saraighat bridge was constructed in 1965 okay Saraighat bridge যেটো আমি জানো it was constructed under Bimal Prasad Chaliha okay very important question Saraighat bridge কেতিয়া হৈছিলে এই কোশ্চেন আগতে আহা still 1965 মনত ৰাখাটো important but কোন আসিলে তেতিয়া চিফ মিনিস্টার বিমল প্রসাদ চলিহা দিস ইজ ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট अगेन আৰু এটা কনস্ট্রাকশন হয় অয়েল রিফাইনারি যেটো নুনমাটিৰ নুনমাটিৰ যেটো অয়েল রিফাইনারি হয় হেতু এস্টাবলিশ হৈছিলে আন্ডার বিমল প্রসাদ চলিহা ইন দি ইয়ার 1962 okay two constructions Saraighat bridge and oil refinery Nunmati oil refinery এই দুটা কনস্ট্রাকশন কৰাইছিলে বিমল প্ৰসাদ চলিহা apart from construction আৰু এটা ঘটনা হৈছিলে বিমল প্ৰসাদ চলিহাৰ গভৰ্নমেন্টৰ ভিতৰত 1959 1960 কি হল দি famous language revolt মই আগতে কৈছো যে বেঙ্গলি আমাৰ অফিশিয়াল ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ ঘোষণা কৰা দিয়া হৈছিলে Bengali was declared as the official language of Assam, which later on brought the famous language revolt. Language revolt which ultimately was held on 1959 to 1960. Famous language revolt whole, and from that key conclusion after this revolt, as a result, Assamese language became the official language of Assam. Okay. Next we will see next chief minister ki kaam korela ekhini sailon and then we will finish today's class. Next point swa Mahendra Mohan Chaudhary MMC hospital jar namot bunwa hoise Mahendra Mohan Chaudhary was the next chief minister তেওঁ কি কনস্ট্রাকশন কৰাইছিলে মেইনলি তিনটা কনস্ট্রাকশন কৰাইছিলে dates are not important because এতিয়া লৈকে যিমান ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট আছিল মই তাৰে ডেট দি দিছো but ইহতৰ ডেট ইমান ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট নহয় still তেওঁ কি কনস্ট্রাকশন কৰাই দিছিলে মই হেডত মালক কৈ দিছো because these are some big constructions which are important for your question in exam right so Bongaigaon Petrochemicals paper mill at Jogighopa jute factory at Shilghat in Nagaon এই তিনটা কনস্ট্রাকশন Mahendra Mohan Chaudhary ভিতৰত তেওঁৰ গভৰ্নমেন্টৰ ভিতৰত বনোৱা গৈছিল next is very important in 1972 Sarat Chandra Sinha please underline this name why because after he came to power 1972 jeta teo power ahile 1973 ki korile capital of Assam was finally shifted to Guwahati from Shillong and this is important because etu question bare hude je Ahomor capital Guwahati from Guwahati Ahomor capital Shillongor pora Guwahati ketia kora goisile so answer is 1973 but jodi hude tetia chief minister kun asile then your answer is Sarat Chandra Sinha last point is little different from chief minister president's rule first time Ahomor ketia apply hoisile first time president's rule was introduced in the 1979 okay so that's it we finish Assam history today totally ami Assam history khatam kori asu finish kori asu there are approximately 9 to 10 classes I think and it is not so much tough iman tough nohoy points bur likhi loiloa there were 31 points before independence and 7 points after independence so approximately 40 points dhori loa apart from this now we will start Ahom kingdom okay Ahom kingdom also again around 30 points ase that is why I asked everyone to remain calm and we will do Ahom kingdom belekke korim mo hekane 30 points is big enough right so Ahom kingdom just my idea start kore dim we will do classes almost every day I will try to put classes every day নহলে alternate days ot moi try korim je moi put koru since sobore exam or date dise I know the urgency of each and every student right and We will start with biodiversity, geography, economy, everything we will start, and we will try to finish it beforehand of every exam. So exam dates didise tare agote ami hit koribolai chesta kori asu. I'm trying my level best, so please cooperate, and if you have any doubts, please write it down in the comment section below. And yes, very important, we will do question and answer round. Okay, we will do question and answer round right after this. Ahom kingdom of questions but the moi G question paum moi loi ahim, because enba koru points thake which might I have missed, and that I'll include in the question answer round. Okay, so question answer round er karone ready hoi thakiba, pori loba gotekhini, and we will do question answer round quick enough. Okay, so that's it for today. If you have understood everything till now, then please share it with your friends. They all need your help in the preparation of the exams. Like kore diba, please put a like before going, and share it with your friends obviously, and subscribe to our channel. Okay, we need all of your support, and I hope you will be doing everything I said. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon.